देख रहे हैं उत्तर शक्ति न्यूज।
Ladies and gentlemen, for over the past 3 decades, Dr. Anil Kashim Murarkar has touched many lives, setting an example for others to follow, a personality that is worth taking inspiration and learnings from about generosity. Dr. Murarkar loves to help with all his might, time and money. His may not be a story of a person moving from rags to riches, but he definitely is the one who uplifts and helps the people of the society to write one such story of their own. Ladies and gentlemen, Ample Mission was founded by Dr. Murarkar along with his son Siddharth. Its strength lies in conceptualizing unique social initiatives for people and communities all through the year by celebrating their heroic achievements. For example, the Shurveer Awards is given to those people who have shown extraordinary acts of bravery. The Bharat Prerna Award is given to those people who have risen above their disability to achieve something in life. And the award, Zindagi Ke, is for all the unsung heroes in the uniform who sacrificed their life and a lot for the things for the country. She has an experience of over 20 years in the media. We have 3 power-packed ladies right here who are our chief guests today. We're starting with Shaina NC. She is a BJP spokesperson, a very, very well-known personality. She's also a fashion designer, politician, and social worker. We have our next chief guest, Dolly Thakur. She is a well-known journalist and theatre personality. She has worked extensively with radio and TV as well as BBC. We have with us our next chief guest, Arzu Govitrikar, a successful model. She's entered TV and film world and soon was recognized for her talent, bagging a coveted Telly Award. Very warm welcome to everyone. Let's have a huge round of applause for everyone. It's a very quiet and silent room right now. And without further ado, I would now request our author to please come in here and address this august gathering.
First of all, welcome to all our esteemed guests here. Mr. Murarkar, I came to know him while I was working on this book, and it has been a pleasure as well as a learning process for me, because I sincerely started this project just as a writer, but I realized what a life should mean to a person, because through him I have come to know about what all one can do in a lifetime. Even if you don't have bags of money, you just have to have the right intention, and that is what he has taught me. And at the same time, he has been very, very humble. I mean, it was, at times I was, a little ashamed that I have been quite snooty in places at times, and he has taught me humility. So I think I've come to a conclusion that at every turn in life, you learn from people. And I'm really grateful that I got this opportunity to learn from him. Thank you.
Mumbai. I have lived through many book launches here at Crossword. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I even launched Nana Chudasama's book over here. And so you can see how far back my associations go. Today we are here to talk about Anil Murarkar. Now, I've known Anil Murarkar definitely for about 15 years, if not longer. Am I right, Anil? And the one thing I will say about Anil is wherever there is a charity, there's Anil. Whether it's for a photograph, whether it's for a film star, whether he is there with charity, with open hands, helping out everybody. And I don't know how many of you to be called, but every Diwali, I think it is, am I right, Diwali? We get one portion of his wealth as a gift, whether it's a bed sheet or pillow covers or quilts. And I mean, that's the generosity of this man. And the one thing that I learned and which I love is that he does that in thousands and he distributes it amongst all the street dwellers on the streets of Mumbai. These are facts which I don't think everybody knows, but I've had the fortune of knowing him and working with him, and wherever, as I said, I too put my foot into various charities. I certainly don't give as much as he does, but whether it is acid victims, whether it is Ladli Girl Child campaign, whether it is Alert India, which is the leprosy campaign, Anil Morarkar has always been a very great part of this. That is why when Nandita rang me up yesterday and asked me to come and launch the book, and when she said it was Anil Morarkar, I immediately jumped at it, because there's no way that you can say no, because I appreciate the kind of things that he does, and he's an amazing man. Also wants to be well dressed, well up with everybody in the fashion circles, but the heart that he has is one of gold. And I would like all of you to take an example of that and really give him a big applause. Thank you, Anne.
And whatever I heard, whatever little conversation I had with him, it was really inspiring. For he told me what work he does and how he's helping people, and hopefully I'm going to read the book soon. I hope you're giving me a copy there. Okay, so I do get a copy and I will be reading the book and I definitely know more about him. But it's just so nice to have people like him in this world, because I just feel if everybody does their own bit in a small little way, it's going to go a long way and help the world. So yeah, Anil, I'd like to say take some more inspiration from you and do a little bit more. And thank you very much for having me here.
Well about you, Anilji. Well, Dolly, Arzu have already said what they need to. I like what Manisha said. She said she's learned from him. I want to believe that there are few people in Mumbai that come forward for every single cause. I think Anil Morarkar would be one of those. You have to, yeah, but I'm asking for the cause. He's giving towards the cause. It's a big difference. Thank you. So if it's any charity that our NGO, for example, Giants Welfare Foundation, I know has been associated with him for a long while. We haven't approached you on behalf of Mumbai Mazi Ladki, but now we will. But having said that, I think my father always taught us that there are two types of people in society. There are the givers and the takers. The givers sleep well, the takers eat well. Obviously, you belong to the giving, and that's why you have this kind of turnout even in COVID times. But having said that, whether it's the cause of the armed forces or Ladki or any charity that approaches you is one part. But a gesture to give equally at Diwali time to the haves and the have-nots is magnanimity. So I think because of that magnanimity, you have a kind of, what shall I say, credibility coupled with a fan following, and it's fine to be in the glamour circles provided that glamour is meaningful and can be put to good use, which you have shown through this book. So congratulations to you and all the very best. And since it's COVID times, I think we should keep this program very short and crisp.
मेरे मीडिया वाले भाइयों को थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग इन दिस नंबर्स. आपके बिना प्रोग्राम बिल्कुल अधूरा है. To my left, Dolly ji, a very short notice, and here she is. That same thing applies to Shaina ji also. Of course, मुझे बाद में जूते खाने पड़ेंगे. But yes, a wonderful gesture on your part, Shaina ji. Thank you so much. I'm grateful to you that you could squeeze in some time and be here for this. Arzu ji, as she rightly said, we just met पर इनको एक बात बोल दूँ, कोई भी उंगली पकड़ाता है ना मेरे को, बाद में मैं छोड़ता नहीं उंगली। Thank you so much, Arzu ji, for squeezing in time, being here today. I am indebted to the utmost. Manisha ji, right here, उन्होंने कहा, उन्होंने कुछ सीखा मेरे से, मैं उल्टा बोलता हूँ, सीखता मैं आया हूँ, और मनीषा जी से मुझे काफ़ी कुछ सीखना है आगे चल के। अनुपम साहब वो जानबूझ के सामने नहीं आएंगे, but the man who has initiated this book is the man there in the check shirt. It would have been just impossible to hear this man or know about him had he not been here today. Mr. Anupam Khan from Times of India. I believe it's all within us. हम सब कुछ न कुछ कर सकते हैं. That feel factor within us, even if that little bit we can do towards mankind, is amazing. Let's not talk on what numbers are or what figures are. आप हर कोई सक्षम है इतने कि अगर आप आगे बढ़ के कुछ करना चाहें समाज के लिए, आप जरूर कर सकते हैं. There was a time when this man was never talked about. In fact, I never believed in talking about it, whatever little we do. Shaina ji ne जैसे कहा, that gentleman standing right behind there in the black shirt, Siddhant, if you could just come forward. My son Siddhant Murarka, in fact, he is the one who has been after me. Hey, Papa, whatever bit you are doing, let's talk to the world about it. मैं इस दुनिया में इस हिसाब से जीता था जो मुझे मेरे पूर्वजों ने कहा कि भाई दिखावा करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है. कोशिश ये करो कि अगर आप कोई दाहिने हाथ से भी कोई काम करते हो तो आपके बाएं हाथ को पता नहीं चलना चाहिए. But this boy changed that thought process. He said, Dad, those days are gone. Today the world is like seeing is believing. Let's talk about it. Let the people know about it. Whatever bit we are doing. Maybe people who look at you can start doing something else for a better tomorrow. दोस्तों, मैं जो कुछ भी आज थोड़ा बहुत कर पा रहा हूँ, इसमें सब आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद है, बड़ों का साथ है, मेरी फैमिली का पूरा साथ है इसमें. My wife, she has been there with me like a rock stone. All the good times and bad times, she has been right beside me. My parents at large, of course, nothing is complete without them. हम मंदिरों में जाते हैं, मस्जिदों में जाते हैं, गुरुद्वारों में जाते हैं भगवान को नमन करने के लिए. मैं कहता हूँ स्वर्ग माँ बाप के चरणों में है, आप नमन उनको कर लो, कायनात आपके पास है. दिस इज द कोर रियलिटी. आपको कोई प्रवचन नहीं दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पर, बट दिस इज अ फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ. एक्सेप्ट इट एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू द वर्ल्ड इज योर्स. फ्रेंड्स, rightly said by Shaina ji, little bit short and sweet. मैंने काफ़ी टाइम ले लिया आपकी, but yes, thank you so much. I hope this book can change somebody's life, and it will be something which will be probably cherished by me. अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाए तो. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Sir.
मुझे लगता है कि मुंबई में बहुत कम लोग हैं जो हर एक चैरिटी के लिए आगे आते हैं. कोई वृद्ध हो तो कहीं बच्ची बेटी गर्ल चाइल्ड हो या कहीं आर्म फोर्सेस के लिए. अनिल मुरारका जी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो देते हैं ज़्यादा और लेते हैं कम. तो उस हिसाब से मैं मानती हूँ कि ये पुस्तक के विमोचन के लिए आना ज़रूरी भी था, और एक तरफ से मुंबई की तरफ से धन्यवाद कहने. There are very few people in Mumbai city that come forward for any cause. It could be the armed forces, it could be the girl child, it could be Giants Welfare Foundation, it could be the choice of your NGO. I think the reason why we are all here for Anil Murarka ji is because he's a huge giver, and very few people in Mumbai that come forward with the plan of giving always. He makes glamour meaningful, purposeful, and that's why I think this book opening is extremely important for Mumbai to applaud and appreciate all the good work that he's done. Thank you.
Such a book launch, which is a book about a man who does so much for the society without talking about it. So thank you. Pleasure is mine.
Just one line, a short notice to her, and here she is. Grateful to you, Arzu.
I don't say that. It's a pleasure, like I said.
You know, that's what I've been talking about to the world out there. जब स्टेज पे हम थे तब एक जिक्र किया गया about the supreme power and the Bollywood. That's what we have tried to cultivate. The short films what we make towards social awareness. मैं इन दोनों का मिक्सचर ब्लेंड करने की कोशिश करता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी ये बिलीफ है कि एक आम आदमी दो ही चीज़ से घबराता है, एक तो ऊपर वाले का डर और एक बॉलीवुड की भाषा से समझ में आती है उसको. That is what we blend in these short films and try to reach out to the masses.
आप लोग सवाल पूछेंगे मेरे से?
What's on the occasion, ma'am? Pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. It's been wonderful being here. This is like homecoming. I was here when Crossword started, and I'm here this 100 years later. When Crossword was at Mahalakshmi. So my association with Crossword is very, very long, very intimate, and very close. And I've launched a lot of books here. So.
Yeah, it was amazing. I never expected that. It's like just my dreams. When you talked about Nana Krasmaji, the book launch of Nanaji was right here with your hands and
And how long your association with the man?
अनिल जी को मैं बहुत सालों से जानती हूँ. मैं इनकी तरह तो नहीं हाथ खोल के लोगों की मदद करती, मगर मैं दिल खोल के ज़रूर लोगों की मदद करती हूँ. और क्योंकि मेरे पास कोई बिजनेस नहीं है, मेरे पास कोई कंपनी नहीं है, लेकिन जो मैंने इस दुनिया में कमाया है वो सब जो गरीब बच्चों के लिए, गरीब औरतों के लिए, छोटे बच्चों के लिए, बीमारों के, उन सब के लिए गया है. और उसी संबंध में मैं इनसे मिली और अब जिन जिन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में मैं एसोसिएटेड हूँ वो हमेशा वहाँ पे रहते हैं. और इन्होंने हमारी बहुत मदद की है. हमारी लाडली की भी मदद की है. लाडली जो एक गर्ल चाइल्ड कैंपेन है. ठीक है, आपके लिए छोटा होगा मगर हम लोग के लिए बहुत बड़ा है कि जो भी कुछ लोग दें हमें, हम उससे बहुत खुश रहते हैं. और काश के ऐसे और लोग होते. और जितने भी लोग ये प्रोग्राम सुन रहे हैं या मुझे सुन रहे हैं, मुझे आशा है कि आप लोग भी हम लोग की मदद करें. मैं रहूं ना रहूं, मगर बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो संस्था की, सोसाइटी की मदद कर रहे हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि आप लोग सब उनकी मदद करें.
हाउ डू यू से दैट ये रहना है? मैम आप यहीं रहेंगे? जैसे आज ये लॉन्च किया आपने, कल मेरे बेटे की कोई लॉन्च भी आपको ही करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.
The book is important because it really gives people encouragement to do good things, and like his life has shown that even in when you're down, you can actually pick yourself up and work towards getting better and taking people along. That is the biggest lesson that we have learned from this book. And his life is inspiration, truly, because he teaches and he inspires people. And the best thing is that he has a lot of youth working for him, with him, and that's a great support.
के बारे में
मैम मेरे लिए इट्स अ वेरी प्राउड मोमेंट. मैं तो बस देखता रहता हूँ पूरे दिन कि कहाँ कहाँ किस किस के साथ बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ करते रहते हैं, चाहे वो एसिड अटैक विक्टिम्स हो या फिर आर्म्ड फोर्सेस हो या फिर जस्ट एक दिन रात को ये बाहर निकल रहे थे. मैंने इन्हें पूछा था कि यार आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? तो ये शायद कि जो अपने रोड पे जो लोग सोते हैं उन्हें ब्लैंकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने जा रहे हैं. एंड इट वॉज अ वेरी टचिंग मोमेंट फॉर मी बिकॉज वी डिडंट जस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट ब्लैंकेट. डैड ने पर्सनली जाके सबको खुद के हाथों से ब्लैंकेट उड़ाई थी. सो मुझे काफ़ी इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है इससे कि अगर आप किसी को कुछ दे रहे हैं तो आप सिर्फ दे के आपका काम खत्म नहीं होगा. आपको उनसे कनेक्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम हिम कि चाहे आप पैसा या कुछ भी कितना भी दे दें, जब तक आप कनेक्ट ना करें तब तक वो देने का कुछ फ़ायदा है.
सर आपके लिए क्वेश्चन रहेगा कि
बचपन में हम बच्चों को सिखाते हैं ये करना चाहिए वो करना चाहिए, बच्चों से जब सीखने मिलता है वो कितना टची मोमेंट रहता है।
अभी भी सीख ही रहा हूँ, बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ और सीखना कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि जब तक जीऊँ तब तक सीखता रहूँ। एंड आपने कहा कैसा लगता है, इट्स द अल्टीमेट फीलिंग। एक पुरानी बात याद आती है जब दादाजी कहा करते थे मेरे कि जिस दिन आपके अपने फादर को आपके नाम से बुलाया जाए वो आपके लिए सबसे बड़ी बात होती है। मैं तो ये देखता हूँ, मुझे ये उस चीज़ को बहुत पीछे छोड़ चुका है। आज अगर मैं कहीं जा भी रहा हूँ तो आई एम जस्ट नोन एज फादर ऑफ सिद्धांत विनायक एंड दैट्स द अल्टीमेट ग्रेट फीलिंग। एक बाप के लिए उससे बड़ी बात कुछ नहीं होती।
सर हम लोग ने सुबह भी जैसे देखा है अपने विष्णु जी का भी हेल्प करने का जो है प्रेरणा उठाया है, तो उस बारे में भी क्या बोलेंगे थोड़ा बहुत, और आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे सर? आप दोनों से पूछ रहे हैं।
टाइटल जब विष्णु की स्टोरी बताई देन ऑब्वियसली आई वाज शॉक्ड बाय कि अपने लीगल सिस्टम में अभी भी इतने लूपहोल्स हैं कि लोग 20-20 साल उन्हें जेल में काटने पड़ते हैं और फिर जाके उनको इंसाफ मिलता है। तो आई वॉज रियली टच्ड एंड आई वॉज रियली हैप्पी कि हम इन्वॉल्व हो पाए और उन्हें हम हेल्प कर पाए थोड़ी सी जो हमारी क्षमता है उसके अंदर। एंड आई होप कि इन द फ्यूचर ही कैन बिल्ड अ बेटर एंड अ न्यू लाइफ फॉर हिमसेल्फ एंड आई होप आई कैन हेल्प हिम as much as I can.
क्या सर आने वाले दिनों में हम उनकी कहानी पे भी एक किताब देखना चाहेंगे?
मैं वादा करता हूँ आपके सामने ज़रूर लिखूँगा।
थैंक यू सर।
I'm humbled. I'm humbled कि I was part of it, and I'm humbled that I can share the journey of life with my father. I know that sounds very weird to say, but मुझे मालूम है कि ये जो काम कर रहे हैं उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, and I'm just along for the ride, and I'm trying to learn as much as I can from him while I see him do it and while he teaches me how to take things forward.
It's not fair to say that. The fact is, as I mentioned earlier, I'm still a learner with you. I have to go a long way. The thought processes what these youngsters have today is amazing, is out of the box. हमको शायद हमारे माँ बाप ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया, लेकिन आज दुनिया कैसे चल रही है, दुनिया के साथ कैसे कदम मिलाना है, वो आज ये यंगस्टर सिखा रहे हैं, एंड इट्स फिनोमिनल।